Welcome to Yaro dear friends. Today we are going to cover lookup in Excel formulas. You might have come through lot of formulas, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, lookup. Today I am going to cover lookup. How the lookup is useful. I have covered a video on VLOOKUP in my last video. Now I am going to cover lookup. How lookup works. See, there is a data here. I am showing you. Registration name, language wise what is his score, details and total. This is the data which was given in a school, okay, or any organization. Now I want to make a report card like this. See, I am having 629949. The moment I enter, the name changes and the score changes. Notice, once again I am going back 629701. The name changes, the score changes. There is some color formatting as requested. Now I can select this combination also. There is a change. See, so how this report card can be formed from this type of data. You know, with VLOOKUP you can do that, but only one data will come. So how to do that I am going to cover today. To do that, first you have to understand what is lookup. So in my earlier VLOOKUP video I covered that how VLOOKUP works. Today I am going to cover you how the lookup works. Here is some data for you. Exam results of the token number student, token numbers and exam. Results are entered but name not known. Only token number is entered. A secret number. Now with this token number there is a student master given here. Token number wise name, school, roll number, age, section. We want only name and roll number, because during exam that same token number may not be given, same roll number will not be given. That's why. So in regular case with VLOOKUP, simply you take up like this. Take the value as per my earlier video. Select, enter a number, then MS come. See, it records. So for clear understanding, you please refer my VLOOKUP video already covered in YouTube video. Now I am going to teach you how lookup works. Lookup is something different from this, but not much. The formula is very simple for you to understand. Go to f of x, select lookup at reference. By default most recently will be there. You select lookup and reference, search for lookup and select OK. Okay. Now my lookup value is going to be token number. This lookup value will be referred in lookup vector. Lookup vector is going to be student master's token list. So in this I am going to select enter token number, and parallelly result vector, my lookup value will be searched on lookup vector and comparing value will be given from result vector. So my result I want is from names list. Click OK. Now see, 714 is for Rajasarathi. So for your understanding, pressing F4 will add an $. Now press enter. Now double click, entire data has come. See how this system is different from that, from VLOOKUP. So now remember, for VLOOKUP you will have a lookup value, and on lookup vector the lookup value will be searched on lookup vector, and the result will be given from result vector data what you are giving. This is where the formula is. So you understood? It is displayed on screen also for your easy understanding. Once again I am going to put it for roll number. I am going to get roll number, student master, come on, the result will be roll number. See the roll number. Now we put enter, double click. This is what the clearly it is taking a number. Only one case it is different from VLOOKUP, that is for result vector as well as lookup vector you have to give the column reference, whereas here only the table reference. That in VLOOKUP only table reference, and first column will be searched for data. In lookup the first column will be not searched, the first lookup value will be searched in the lookup vector what we are giving. Now I am coming to my format. Now you understood how the lookup works, why the lookup is different. Now I am going to make same setup format here. Only thing, formula I am removing for you. One value at least it should be there. Now remarks for your screen. Okay, it is fully visible now. Now when I change this value, my student name has to come, and the scores should come from the scorecard table which is entered in this way. For your easy understanding I am zooming it. See, token number, name and all the 5 subjects. When the data is entered like this and you want to make the data this way, now let us first get it, the real data, the name with lookup formula. I am going to get it. I have to search this number in this result vector, lookup vector. Up to here I have to search that number and return this data. From here I am going to select the result vector. The result vector is selected. Only thing you have to ensure that for a parallel data searching, both numbers should be same. So press enter. Now the name has come. Clear? Now you understood that it's 629701. See Ramanan for your important, for understanding. See 62901 is Ramanan. For Ramanan now I am going to get this data one by one. Before I change it, VLOOKUP. Now this is my first value. I have to search here 164 comma I want result from here 164. Now see the score 57 has come. Clear? Because the language one is clear because it is in the parallel line. So if even you use VLOOKUP, it comes. For your easy understanding, I put VLOOKUP here for your understanding for the same search. This value I have to search in this entire table of 170 and I want result from fourth 1 2 3 4 fourth and to match should be exactly match. See 57 is coming. The VLOOKUP for your understanding, this is what 57. Now 57. But how to get this increased score from this, as VLOOKUP cannot search this and giving this result. It only gives this result, and when we search this column, this is empty column. So the only other way around is come here, put lookup again. VLOOKUP, I explained you, VLOOKUP is not going to help you here. Now C3, I search here up to 164 and my result should be from D4 to 165. Interesting. What we are doing, we are matching C3 in first column, C3 in first column, which is equal to A3 to A64. What row comes, get me the equivalent of D series with one row overlapping. Now if I put enter, I will get increased score of 40. See how it is interesting. So now I am going to put, it is going to be constant, A3 is to A164 is going to be constant, this has to vary. I am going to drag down. Now you see the second formula C3, A3 is to A64, C3 value searched on, A3 is to A164, but the result will be D5 is to D166. Whereas in 42 the search is same with overlap of 3 overlaps. And signs I am overlapping with A3 and D7, 4, 5. So this way you can just imagine 6, 2, 9, 9, 49. See the value, we are exactly getting the scorecard. $949, Mr. Kumar's total is 428. It is matching here. Okay. So now 421 only is coming wrong. Okay. Now you clearly understood that how it works. So the important thing to notice on lookup is a very powerful tool in Excel. With VLOOKUP you can only find a value from Excel, but with lookup you can overlap the result vector and get your desired value. Search here and get this value. Easy to overlap. You have to overlap the result vector with only one row down. So this is where the Excel's lookup will be very effective tool. You can use it and get a better usefulness from this tool. So thanks for watching, dear friends. Continue watching my channel Yaro and give your comments on comment section to improve my next videos. Thanks for watching once again.